Yeah. Give it up, throw it up now. Give it up, throw it up now. Give it up, throw it up now. Introducing you to the dark cloud. Give it up now. Give it up, throw it up, give it up now. Give it up, throw it up now. Introducing you to the dark cloud. Going up like a bonkers in a free throw. I don't play, so don't call me Hasbro. I'm fucking sick with the wicked flow. I'm just trying to tell you I go toe to toe. I'm crazy cause I got mad skills. I'm just like the morning after pill. Sneaking through your motherfucking windowsill. I pull the trigger cause I'm a fucking kill. Jump back, give room for bonk noise. I'm a ninja like an overdose of roids. Y'all give it up for bonkers and inks. Y'all better give it up for DDB.
Yeah, just like Freddy with his glove. I don't give a fuck, I show no love. Make you drink your own blood and like it. I'm East that wicked clown and that don't give a shit. I come run with my hatchet fully equipped. Watch where you run and you don't trip. I let the hatchet slip in your neck. Now you're falling bleeding all over your dead. Nothing but wickedness around to DDP. We those two painted up ninjas that you hate to see. I use that blade and box, use that gun. When both on that ass, give it up, bitch, you're done. We two niggas that don't fuck around. We constantly bumping that wicked sound. Move the fuck over, it's our time in the light. If you don't like it, we down to motherfucking fight.
Yeah. Give it up, throw it up now. Give it up, throw it up now. Give it up, throw it up now. Introducing you to the dark cloud. Give it up now. Give it up, throw it up now. Give it up now. Introducing you to the dark clouds. Give it up now. Give it up now. Giving it up now. Introducing you to the dark clouds.